In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $150 every day using TikTok. With over 1 billion monthly users and counting, TikTok is becoming the fastest growing social media platform on the planet, and it's a great opportunity for anyone to make money. And the way I'm going to teach you, you don't have to have any experience. You don't even have to have a TikTok account right now. This is a very simple copy and paste method that is going to make you money as early as today. This can start working right away. You won't have to show your face. You won't have to do any crazy dances. I'm going to show you where to get all the free videos you're ever going to need. I'm going to show you from start to finish the incredibly simple method that this TikTok profile uses to make videos that's allowed them to get over 2.4 million followers and 145 million likes on their videos. And I'm also going to show you how they could have been making money on this from day one, but they missed a huge opportunity. Make sure you follow this video step by step and don't skip ahead, because if you miss anything here, it's probably not going to work for you. There's very crucial information in here, but anybody can do this, and you can start making $150 today. But first, make sure you subscribe to Online Moneymaker, as we drop videos every single day on fun and easy ways that anybody can make extra money online. With all that being said, let's get ready to make some money. Welcome to Online Moneymaker. Today we're going to mimic this TikTok profile that I found called Facts Lobby, and as you can see, they've got 2.4 million followers. They've got almost 146 million likes on their videos, and basically they are taking videos of random like nature scenes that they're finding on the internet, and they're just adding little facts to them. So let's just check out one of their videos so you can see what they're doing, okay? Dangerous fact. A girl can stay with you while she already dumped you in her mind. Uh-oh. So they've got a simple video of waves, some light music behind it. That's it. Everything you are seeing here, they got off the internet for free and just edited it together in a very simple manner. I'm going to show you exactly how they did that. So they're getting those videos from this website. It's called Pixabay.com, and this is a place where you can get copyright-free videos, music, and photos. Okay, so most of the stuff on here is going to be copyright-free. So the first thing you want to do is just come right here and hit videos. And then we can type in anything we want. So let's just do what they were using, like nature, videos. So we can just start by typing in nature here, and there should be a huge selection that comes up. So we can just see this one right here. Let's open that up, and we can see that it's just a simple little video of some waves breaking on some rocks. And it's pretty simple. And these videos are all about 20 to 30 seconds long, which is exactly what we want for a TikTok. So as you can see, the possibilities, the choices are endless here. You've got more videos here than you're ever going to need. But for our purposes today, I'm going to give you a little secret of something that is very popular on TikTok, and that's pets. So specifically, let's type in cats, and let's just get a cat video that we can use to get started. So let's take a look at this this fella right here. Look at this guy. That's a cute one. It's only 11 seconds long. This one's 23 seconds, so we're going to use this one right here. So what we want to do is download this for free. So click on it, push download, okay? And all we're going to do is just drag it over onto your desktop here, like that. So now we've got that video there, and it's time to move on to the next step. So now we just need some facts to throw up on our video, and for that we're just going to use good old Google. So let's just go with relationship facts, because I've noticed that there's not a lot of TikTok channels or whatever you call them out there doing this yet, and you can see how many followers they're getting. You can see how many likes their videos are getting. So this is really an untapped market here. So just go to Google, type in relationship facts, and let's see what comes up. And we'll just be able to grab something right off there to use in our TikTok video. So here we go, right off the bat, 35 facts about love that make your heart smile. And so let's just open this up and see what it says. I like this right here. I think we can use this. So a survey found that 1 in every 50 travelers has met their soulmate on board a plane. That's going to be perfect. Okay, so let's just let's copy that and put it into a folder so we save it. 1 in every 50 travelers has met their soulmate aboard a plane. So we're going to just copy those words. So to edit all this together, we're going to be using an app called InShot, and this is only something you can download onto your phone or your iPad, but it's very simple and it is free, and it's actually what I'm using to edit this video today that you're watching. And so download onto your phone InShot, and this is going to be the way you're going to edit all your TikTok videos from now on. And trust me, this could not be more simple. I'm going to let you watch over my shoulder here as I do this in real time on my iPad. So this is the InShot app, and to get started, you just push video, and you should have already airdropped your cat video to your iPhone or your iPad. So select the video and hit the green square, and that brings up the video right here. Now the first thing we want to do is get this to the right dimensions for TikTok. So that's very easy. Just highlight the clip and then come over here to the left hand side where it says canvas, and they're going to give you the TikTok template right there. They're going to make it that easy. Now after we've done that, we can zoom in or out with the image, see? So for this, I'm going to go ahead and zoom it in a little bit, and then just like that, we've got this in the proper dimension for TikTok, and we can just see it play right there. That's good. Now we can add a little bit of music on this through this app. So what we're gonna do right here, they've got a little music collection we can use. Just hit music, and we'll hit tracks right here. And we'll just use the, how about we use the music that it was playing in the beginning of the video you're watching right now. That was called Busy Shoes. Sound familiar? So we'll just use that, and we will probably just lower the volume just a bit. Okay, so let's see what we got so far. It's like a pretty good TikTok to me already. Look at that cat, he's cute. Okay, now all we need to do is get our little fact in here, get some text in, and that's very easy to do. Just hit the little text icon right there at the bottom, and we'll start it off with did you know? So we'll say did you know, and just put that in capitals. Did you know? Okay, and I like that blocked how it is like that. If we wanted to change the color, that's very easy to do. Hit the color wheel right there, and if we want to get rid of that black label, we can just hit label right here and go no label, but we're going to stick with the black right there, so that's good. Okay, and as you can see down here at the bottom, we can extend that text as long as we want or keep it as short as we want just by sliding the text bar like that. It's very simple. So we'll keep it like that. Let's see what we got so far. Let's play it. And I think right about there, we'll bring in the text that says 1 in 50 people find their soulmates on a plane. For this part, I think we'll take off the label part. So we'll hit the color wheel and we'll go label, no label. And we'll just pull that down here. We can change the size just by dragging like that. So I think we should be good here, and we just about have a TikTok on our hands. Okay, I think all we'll do is just extend the text throughout the whole video. So we'll go like that, do it to the other one, and this one should be good to go. So actually what we'll do is we'll bring that the top part in just a little bit after the video starts, so it won't come in right away. Here we go. See, that's all this other guy was doing. That's it. Okay, so now it's time to learn how to make money doing this. That you're gonna come to a website called clickbank.com, and you're gonna sign up for a free account. This is completely free, and what ClickBank is a marketplace where you can find a number of different products that you can promote and get paid to do so. So once you sign up for an account, you'll be brought to a dashboard that looks like this. Then on the left-hand side, you'll come down to where it says Affiliate Marketplace, and you'll click there. And this is gonna give us all kinds of different products we can sell or promote for big profits, okay? Big time commissions here. So we're gonna come down here to where it says self-help. See that right there? And then we're gonna go with dating guides, okay? Because we're giving relationship advice here. So I want you to look at one specific offer here. It's called the obsession method. And if you can't find it, just type it into the search bar up here and it will come up. And we can see by looking at this green number right here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna push promote, and that's gonna give us our own personal link that we're gonna put on our TikTok. And if somebody clicks on that and they purchase this dating guide, you're gonna make $65 every time somebody does that, okay? And let me show you what they'll see if they click on your link. They will be brought to a page that looks just like this, okay? And it's a great little video that they'll be taken to. These people know how to sell the product, so if you can get somebody to click on this link and they make it through this video, chances are they are going to buy it. So all we're gonna do here is push promote, okay? And when you signed up, you would have created a little username right there. And then we're just gonna put generate hot links here, okay? And then you want to hit this button right here, okay? And now that is copied. This is our link. So we want to take this link here, just take it over to a website called bitly.com, B-I-T-L-Y. This is going to shorten the link because the link that ClickBank gave us is long and ugly. So to scroll down here about halfway down and paste that link in there, and you know, see that link they gave us? We don't want that. So we're going to shorten that. And this looks much, much better. See that link right there? So copy that and save that in a folder because we are going to need it. So when you post your TikTok, you already know how to make simple TikToks like Fax Lobby here that's got 2.4 million followers. Okay, let me show you where you're gonna put that little link there. So let's click on one of his videos, okay? And you're gonna put it right here in the description. See where he put, whom are you thinking about? What you're gonna write is, let me turn this down, sorry. What you're gonna write here is, for relationship advice, boys, click here, then paste that link. For relationship advice, girls, click here, same link, okay? Now, if this guy has, let's see, this video has already been seen, I believe it was like 24,000 times or something like that. Yeah, this video has been played 28,000 times already, and it was posted 1 day ago. So if this guy were to put these product links in the description instead of something stupid like of whom are you thinking about, imagine how much money this guy would be making. He would be making millions, okay? He's not making any money from TikTok. He's just putting these easy videos together, and what he should have been doing the whole time was putting something like we just did right there. So you're gonna post your video, you already know how to make it, it's easy. Get one of those links. You can do this any way you want. You can do a different, like, niche here, different facts, and just go into ClickBank and find a product that sort of relates and put it there. Now you are going to need to just post a bunch of videos, okay? This is probably not gonna work on the first 1 or 2 you post, but post one every day. You can see it takes about 30 seconds to make one of those things, and you put the link right here in the description. People are gonna start seeing it, they're gonna start clicking on it, and anytime somebody buys that product, you are gonna make $65 every time, okay? I hope this was helpful. I hope this was valuable. If it was, please like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is Online Moneymaker.